Health Minister Nurses Association condemned death threats to nurse who administered COVID jab to senior journalist Michael Sharp. Uncertainty plagues efforts to get enough COVID vaccines for those awaiting the second dose.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the service provided by the JUTC? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.